Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. And yes, I know, you don't have to say it. I know you're like, girl, what is going on with your hair? Y'all, today is wash day. And your girl is getting ready to do a review on the T3 Featherweight Blow Dryer. So, I want to see if it's worth the price. Does it do what it needs to do? And check out all these different features. And I know you want to see that too. So what do you need to do? Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs, have a seat at the Grown Women's Table, and let's get into this video. You guys, I am super duper excited about this video because we got a new hair tool. You guys know that I'm natural. And wash day can be, wash day. But I wanted to use the new, let me show you the dryer. And I received this dryer from Beautylish. So thank you so very much. You guys, this is my first time using, it's called the T3 Stylemax. And it's the Featherweight Stylemax. So that's what it is. And I'm going to show you, first of all, let me just pull it out. Because literally, y'all, this is, ooh. Let me show you how it comes in the box. All right, y'all, let me give you some stats about this blow dryer. So this blow dryer is $1.99 and it comes in 2 different colorways. So you have the white with the rose gold and then you have the satin blush with the rose gold. And I have the white with the rose gold. All right, y'all, it comes with 4 different attachments. So let me show you the attachments. So this is the first attachment. And this is what it looks like. And it is called the drying concentrate. So this is for when you want that air to come on through and dry your hair really quick. All right. The next one is called the styling concentrate. And you can see it's a lot narrower. And this is where you take your hair in sections. And it's supposed to give you that smoothing look. All right, y'all. This is the next one. And it's called the Soft Touch Diffuser. Now this one is supposed to give you volume, define curls, waves, and even for like layered texture hair, it'll help diffuse out the hair. Y'all, it's pretty big too. And the last one is called the smoothing comb, which is what I'll be using. And it's supposed to give you like that direct airflow that's going to smooth out the strands, stretch the hair. And it says it's supposed to detangle curly, curly hair, but I don't think I'll use this to detangle. And y'all, this is the actual blow dryer. Y'all, it is absolutely gorgeous. And you get quite a bit of a cord. But let me show you what the front looks like. That's what it looks like in the front. I love that. I love the trimmed gold look. That's what it looks like in the back. Okay, up here is where you select your texture. And you hit this little S button, you guys. And then you can select what type of drying you're doing. So if you're doing a rough dry, for volume, diffusing, straight. So you hit that button. This one right here is for your temperature. That one is for your 3 different speeds. Your power button, and then you can push this to add volume. And on the inside, there's a little button here that I think that's for when you want to add a little boost of cool air. All right, y'all, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the comb on. So we're just going to line it up like this. Oh, you hear it click. You hear that? All right, so let's plug her up. Y'all, this cord is pretty freaking long. Oh, this is a long, look. Oh, it's twisting, but as you can see, we have a very long cord. All right, y'all, we just gonna, well, I know what? I want to, let me take my hair loose on this one side. And I'm not going to even untangle. I'm just going to take it loose. And I want to see, well, I'm a finger detangle. But I want to see how long is it going to take to dry one side of my hair. So have my phone is at 0 and starting now. Y'all see that, right? 3 minutes. Okay, let me give you some. My hair is medium dense. I have fine strands, but y'all, my hair is dry. Well, it's a let me get right in. No, it's dry. Where's my comb? Do y'all see that? I am, yeah. Now I do want to see if I can make these ends a little bit less frizzy, which it don't even have to be, because all I'm gonna do is twist my hair down. So I don't dry my hair for like bone straight, but I do want to see like what she could do a little bit. Let's see. And because I already have the settings in place, all you have to do is just turn it on. Y'all, look at that. I am truly impressed. Like, y'all, my old blow dryer could have never. That quickly? Do y'all see how quick that was? And all I have on my hair is I put some leave-in conditioner on it. And y'all, it feels good. Like it really does. And the clips that I'm using, I got 4 of these clips. They were free gifts with purchase. And y'all, I'm just gonna do my other side of my hair, and we're gonna come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, first of all, let's just talk about the way it looks. This looks and feels in my hand substantial. It feels like it's professional. And it's not heavy. Like I was able to do my hair without having arm fatigue or anything like that. I love the fact that it is so customizable that you can, customize it for your hair type and what type of look you're going for. Diffuse, straight, volume, or just straight blow drying. I love that. I love the fact that once I set it, I can set it and forget it. And if I decide I want to change it, I can go in and toggle it, hold on this and change it. But once you set it to what you normally do, you can set it and forget it. I love that we can add a little cold air right here. You guys, and the cord is super long, so I don't have to just be trapped in one little location. And the attachments feel premium. That's the word I'm looking for. This is a premium. It feels premium. And the fact that I was able to blow dry my hair Y'all saw it, and basically it really was under 3 minutes for just one side. So if I do both sides, I can blow dry my hair in 6 minutes, y'all. And I don't feel like my hair was damaged. I love the fact that it's not getting so hot that it's just super duper smoke coming out, and I feel like my hair is being fried. Because one of the things, hold on, where it go? Where it shows you like all the different types of hair and stuff. And I didn't tell you guys, but it did come with some instructions. So it did come in with instructions so you could know based on what the styles you want to do. And it tells you all the information about what are all the buttons for. So you do get information. So you guys, do I feel like this blow dryer is worth $199? Y'all, absolutely. The blow dryer I have could never ever get my hair done this quickly and straight without all the steam and the smoke and me having to wait because I'm scared my hair is gonna fry. I feel like I went to a professional. So yes. And with all the attachments that it come to and how customizable it is, yes, it is definitely worth the money. And am I glad I have it? Oh, girl, yes I am. So you guys, that is it for this video. I hope this was helpful. You guys, there will be a link in the description box if you want to pick this up, because you can pick this up at Beautylish as well as Sephora, and they're having their sale right now. So I'm gonna try to get this video up before the sale is over. So if you're rude, you can get 20% off of this. You guys, this is super duper nice. I am super glad I have it. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you have this blow dryer, let me know in the comment section. All right, you guys, and y'all, I want to dye my hair so bad. Oh, I want to dye my hair. I hate gray hair. But anyway, so you guys, don't forget to thumbs up the video. To all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.